Manipur da thokliba irang asige achumba wayel miyamda fangnabagidama Joint Parliamentary Committee semduna enquiry tawbiyu haina Inner Manipur Parliamentary Constituency ki MP Dr. Bimol Akoijam na ngarang Lok Sabha da President ki warol khanabada saruk yaraduna demand tawkhre chahi asige ahanba Parliament mifam asida President Draupadi Murmu na pi kiba warol adu Khanarakpada saruk yaduna ngarang numidang pung 3:16 tarakpada wa ngangbagi khudong chaba fangkiba Congress ki MP Dr. Bimol Akoijam na chaurangna minute 13 lom thamkiba warol aduda Manipur da thokliba irang asigi matangda wafam kaya pukhatladuna hai Manipur gi naha singna India ga Manipur ga leinariba mari asi karino haina hangli Union Government na Manipur da chathariba thawong asi yenglagadi Leibak asida Constitution chatnari haibasi Leibak miyam da minambani Manipur gi crisis asida Union Government na utliba matau amadi piriba paukhum asi ekhoina uba ngamdaba makhoi gi wakhalda Leibak asida kari khallibage haibadu fongdok chabani hairaduna Manipur Government na fongna laukhatliba wafamdi Indian Government na power khudingmak pukhatkhre haiba asini maram asina Manipur asi hauzik kanana in charge oina thabak tawribage haibasi aikoina khangi haibana chingba wafam sing thamki
Women and children were not only being taken hostage, they were killed in cold-blooded in the most gruesome manner in Jiribam, including an 8-month-old infant. It's a post-mortem report. It's a chilling reminder. There have been people killed in gruesome manners throughout this 21-month-old crisis, but never has this kind of a hostage taking and killing has happened. Now look at this. I am, as an MP, cannot go to some part of Manipur. Where is Article 90 free movement? People are not able to go. The Chief Minister himself cannot go to certain places. Some MLAs belonging to a tribal groups cannot come and attend the assemblies. And we think Article 19 is working in the state of Manipur, and we are celebrating 75th year of the Constitution. Where is Article 19? Madam Chairperson, there are still thousands and thousands of people are linguists in relief camps. Partition is a living reality in the state of Manipur, and we think the constitutional order is intact in the state of Manipur. Third point, very unfortunately, I have been hearing our ministers and the leaders saying that Kukis and Meitei should talk to each other. Have you ever heard when the communal violence happens, Hindus and Muslims should talk to each other? It is the absorbing of the responsibility of the state. First, you should rein in the violence. The authority of the Indian state has been challenged by armed groups. Many of them have been propped up by the Indian security agencies, as many observers have pointed out. Many of these Kuki armed groups under the SU, they have been propped up by Indian security forces, and unfortunately on media you see BJP entering into an understanding with them for them to get help to win elections. Now they are playing havoc. They are running wild. Similarly, in the valley areas, there are armed groups which is reportedly nurtured by political leadership from your party. And this is where you wanted to keep silent. You don't want the rest of the country to know about this. And insist as if, like the Britishers had done, Hindus and Muslim conflict in India is a product of a colonial process. It is not inherent in our country.